god, what the fuck? What the heck? This floor, the button's right here. It's kind of weird. This is the cab. This is a thing I think installed in 2006 or 2007. This door is bad. What the heck? What's wrong with this motor? Seriously, this motor is like shaking like shit. This door. Let's hear it stopping. Oh, here it just stops fine. No, I want to hear the motor of this thing. I don't know where it is, but I think it's right here. I don't know where it is. That ain't here. Maybe it's inside of the building? Nope. I don't know where it's the motor, but this elevator needs some help. That's it.